Welcome everyone. We are meeting after a long period of time. So this is Ritesh and this is my website Dancing with Data. If my videos are making sense to you, this is the time to subscribe to my channel. I do blog at dancingwithdata.com, the website that you see in front of you. I talk about data analytics. I have a channel that is based on Power BI as well. You can get the link at the description. Well, yesterday was a great day with respect to Tableau because you had two things over there, two major things. One is declaration of the Iron Wiz finalist, and the other one was 2022.4 Tableau feature release. So we are going to talk about the same. Well, I'm not going to talk about the all, but my favorite ones. And well, feature inspired by Tableau community. I love this one because I have been waiting since long for this one. As I've been part of the Tableau community, so we'll talk about the features inspired by the Tableau community. The favorite one is the selectivity replace data source. This was a great headache. I'll show you the demo, but then if you have, four sheets and three sheets, data source is correct. By mistake, in the fourth sheet, you have a different data source. Or now you want to swap. Now you swap, then what happens? The three sheet will have the this data source where you are in right now, and vice versa. This was one of the most irritating part that I need to deal with. The next useful feature is the convert strings to proper case using the proper function. So for example, if my name is like this Ritesh Best, it will directly convert that to Ritesh Best in the correct format. You don't need to make additional calculation over there. That is useful. Tableau has also introduced hyperlinking text over there. So your text can act as hyperlink now. So we'll see these three features one by one. Let's start with the selectively replace data source on a worksheet level without complicated workarounds. So suppose we are doing data analysis at our usual sample superstore. We have sales by segment that you can see, which is quite straightforward. The second one is sales by year. The third one is sales by location. And oops, I wanted to have map instead of sample superstore. Now, if you go by the usual way, I can just go and replace my data source the usual way, right? And if I try to swap this with map, now what happens? Okay, this is fine, but the problem is now with sales by year and sales by segment again, it has swapped that to the map. Where it was map, it's sample superstore now, and vice versa. And that was the great problem that we used to deal with. Okay, let me revert it back to the original position. Now with the new feature, I can just go, for example, this has to be with map over there. Okay, so that's the condition. I just need to redirect this sheet data source to map. That's it. I don't want to swap it for the other sheets. So what I will do, I'll do a simple thing. That is, I will just go to this very particular data source and I say replace data source and I say replace current worksheet only. That was the real headache. And I say, okay. And that's it. This is also fine. And if I go back, there are no errors there as well. My life is quite easy now. Thank you, Tableau. I know it took you years, but you did it finally. Well, let's talk about the second feature now that says convert string to proper case using proper function. I've had another dataset and there you can see picture and photographer both are in upper case. And this is what I was not looking for. If I need to sort that, maybe I'll need to write a complicated calculation, which might say that, okay, apart from the first letter, make the other letters small. Same is the case with the second name as well. But now you can just go to that very particular field and you can write proper and that's it. Ram, Rohit, Ritesh and Hitesh. I can even give my second name to show you the proper effect of this function. Here you go. Let me save it. Data source. You can see originally it is Ritesh Bist. And if I just go back over there, with this proper function, everything is proper now. You can say Ritesh Bist. It's pretty useful. Last but not the least, add context and enable further exploration by hyperlinking text object using the rich text editor. Well, that sounds pretty cool. Last but not the least, how you add more context to your title. Okay, right from the beginning. Edit title, select the name. You can see there is a new sign over there of the hyperlink. Well, now you can give the link and that's it. Your title will have more context. So these were the latest Tableau community features, and I hope you liked it. And if you liked it, like button, share this video, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more informative videos like this. क्योंकि जो सोया वो खोया. If you will sleep, how you will leap. This is Ritesh signing off from Dancing with Data. Dance with data, sing with data, and have fun with data.